to Elizabeth Quest. What is sublimation? What does it mean? What is that entitled? Well, sublimation is basically when you print a design and you place it in a product that you want to wear or want to drink out of. There's so many things that you can create with sublimation. It's very easy and very fun. One of the things, basically the process is you design it in the computer and then print it out in a special paper that only prints designs like this to place here or here. And you basically design and put them in here. This is actually a paper that is, you could say heat resistant in a way. And then you put it in a heat press. It could be a mug press. It could be a flat press. Or basically those are the ones. And there are other type of presses. But those are the main ones that you can use to put on shirts, on aprons, on tumblers, or even mugs. So, what is actually sublimation? Basically, sublimation, the ink itself is sort of like an invisible ink. And when you transfer it with heat, it's like a tattoo instead of like a fake tattoo that you use to put on your skin. And you put water and then transfers. Basically, something similar. So instead of using water, you use heat at certain time and certain time and heat press or heat temperature. Depends on the product that you're going to use. That's the heat you're going to use and the time. It doesn't take a lot of time to press a lot of things like this. It takes about 45 seconds, but almost at 400 degrees. It's very hot. You have to use protection. Like this, sheet protections that go on top of the garment or any flat surface item to create your product so that this doesn't burn or even the sheet itself. And also, you can use it with this. What we did with a tumbler, you basically wrap the product or the tumbler. You size the design for the tumbler and you tape it, basically. And then there's a heat press, like a tumbler press, like this, that you basically measure these wheels so that it creates the pressure so that the picture or the design really it's grasped or really is tied with the product, even with the press machine, and to create the perfect sublimation or the perfect design for the product. It's really that easy. I have other videos that I show some of my projects that I've done so far. Check them out. This is a very fun thing that you can actually start as a hobby, but also create a business out of it. Whatever you want to do is possible. Your imagination is actually the limit. So check out my other videos so you can see what the process of each or of certain products are. And don't forget to follow along so you can see my future products of sublimation and other craft and design. So follow along on this quest. This is Elizabeth Quest.